Good afternoon, guys. My name is Brian Waller. I'm the sales manager down here at our Georgia facility. We got quite a nice trailer or two out here we want to show you. We got some aluminum stackers, some steel stackers. We're going to take you through and show you all the features that we have on these units that we can do for you here at Cargo Mate and Continental. We got an aluminum 24-footer right here in silver. We've got a 32-foot steel stacker right here that's silver with a blackout package. And then we've also got a white 34-foot over here that's steel, has a front mount air conditioner on it, and a few other options that we're going to take you in there and show you today. All right, guys, here we are with this aluminum 24-foot stacker. We're going to take it inside in a few minutes and show you what all it's got in there, but for the moment we're going to look at the outside. We got some 16-inch 8-lug aluminum wheels on here. Got your outside speakers, kicker speakers, marine speakers. You got your exterior lights so you can see out here at nighttime. You got your spread axle option on the side. Got a GFI out here to plug up your air compressor, fan, whatever you may need while you're out there at the track or doing whatever you may need to do. It's got a step well so you can get in easier. It's a little closer to the ground so it ain't that far of a step. All right, here we are inside of this beautiful 24-foot aluminum stacker that we got built here. It's equipped with a 13-foot lift. It does not have the optional center section that you can put in here that's made out of aluminum. That way it'll make the lift a solid deck for you if you need it for your ATVs, motorcycles, whatever you may need to tie down on there that's got to have a solid deck. This lift is made by Titan. It's got 4 safety pins that goes in each one of these legs to make sure that your car does not move while you're riding down the road. You just place these in here, put your pin on, and it'll hold it in a safe, secure place for you. It's also equipped with tie downs on all 4 corners. You got your tie downs in the floor for the car that's going to be beneath this. You also got a storage deck up top. Put anything you need, your golf cart, tires, wheels, whatever you may want to store up there. This trailer is equipped with all 12-volt lighting. They're on the white light right now, but you can also change them from white to blue just to give you a nice accent color. It also has base and overhead cabinets. Got your 12-volt converter to 110 in here. So also got your radio, your hydraulic pump. All your electrical is hidden in the floor in this compartment right here. Got your 12-volt cutoff switches in there to kill the power, so when you get ready to store this unit for the winter or wherever you may want to store it, it won't kill the batteries. Let's see how this lift goes up. You can let this lift up to multiple different positions right here to set it to wherever you want it to ride down the road. Very nice lift. Okay, we're back with another beautiful stacker trailer built by Cargo Mate and Continental. This is a 34-foot steel trailer. It's got a hydraulic jack on the front, 60-inch triple tube tongue. It's got a very nice 48-inch side door with aluminum door hold back. It's silver in color. It's got 040 skin. It's all screwless, very thick metal. It's got your exterior GFI plug. And then this trailer is equipped with 2 exterior marine speakers made by Kicker. And of course it's got a radio inside. It's got your 2 12-volt exterior floodlights, that way you can see outside at nighttime. And it's got 16-inch aluminum 8-lug wheels with the spread axle option. It's got your midship turn signals on it. Let's go inside and take a look and see what this trailer is equipped with. I'm going to show you a few of the features that this trailer has inside of it. It's got your solid lift floor inside of this Titan 16-foot lift. This makes it a whole lot easier to put your side-by-sides, four-wheelers, stuff like that on there that you need the full deck for. It's also got the aluminum ramp so you can pull them up on here very easy. It's got a storage place for them to go right there up against the wall out of the way. That way they won't be in your way when you're riding. This trailer also has a 12-foot platform in the front. You can literally park a car up here. It is built to hold a car. You can put anything you need to up there to haul it down the road. And it is not going to go nowhere, I promise. It's also got a nice set of base and overhead cabinets. It's got a 110-volt converter in here. It converts everything from 110 to 12 volt. That's how this trailer is running right now with no 110 hook to it. It's all running off the battery. It's got your radio in here. You got your hydraulic pump in the floor with all your 12-volt electrical heat out in there. It also has your cutoff switches so you can kill the power to this trailer. You also got your blue lights in here. Gives it a nice accent. You got your 110-volt outlets everywhere. You got 4 speakers in the ceiling. Got your black cove wrap that goes down the walls, gives it a nice accent. All right, here we are with another beautiful trailer built by Continental Cargo, mate. It's one of the nicest stackers on the market. Let's take a look at it. This one here has a front mount split unit AC on it. It's an 18,000 BTU air conditioner. Has no problem keeping this trailer cold. We can also put a hydraulic jack on this one if you'd like for us to. We just choose not to put it on here for this particular customer. It's got your nice 48-inch side door, aluminum door holdback. It's got a GFI on the outside. It's got your white 050 metal. Take all the wave out of it. Nice seamless exterior with no screws. It's got your white kicker speakers to match the exterior. Your 12-volt exterior loading lights, that way you can see what you're doing at night. And of course, it's got your 16-inch aluminum 8-lug wheels to keep you going down the road with no problems. It also has your spread axle option, gives you the nice aesthetic look that everybody's looking for. You can come on inside and we'll take a look at the rest of the trailer. All right, here we are inside the best stacker trailer on the market. I want to show you some of the features that this trailer has that none of the other ones did. This one here has got the front mount air conditioner inside, 18,000 BTU. It'll cool this trailer off no problem. It's got a remote control so you can control it from anywhere you need to inside of the trailer or outside. It's got your 110-volt, 12-volt converter in here. It's got your radio, of course. It's got your plug above your countertop right here so you can plug your laptop, whatever you need to, up. It's got a light under the overhead. This trailer also has a 10-foot loft up here for storage. You can put anything you want to up there. It's also got the white and blue lights in here. Also, very nice accent. This is a 6,000-pound lift made by Titan. It's one of the best lifts on the market, if not the best. It's got a 6,000-pound towing capacity. It's got your aluminum ramps that you can put on the back to load your car on and off with. And of course, it's got your full deck in here. This trailer also has a nice set of glass sliding doors on the back. That way you can keep that air conditioner you got on the front inside of your trailer. Easy sliding, open. You can store them back out of the way. That way you can load your stuff up in here very easy. And they ain't gonna go nowhere. Trailer's got plenty of tie downs in the floor. It's got a wing out back with your loading lights so you can see at night. It's got your wide entry ramp door so you can fit about any car, any truck, anything you need to come in here. So if you're looking for one of these trailers, give us a call or look us up on social media, Facebook or Instagram. Thank you.